What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make this barefoot rice and peas. That is rice and peas with lots of pigtail in it. So here are my ingredients. My peas have been soaking from overnight with some garlic in it. I think I added a few pimento seeds in there. And here is my pigtail. I had that soaking too. So here I'm gonna scald it off. I added like 2 of the measuring cups full of water. So when that boil up, I pour off that water, right? And then I'm gonna put it back in the pot and pour 2 more cups of water. That's the measuring cup, not a regular cup. So pour that off again. And why we scald the pigtail is to get rid of the excess salt. So here I pour the pigtail in my pot that I will be cooking the rice and peas in. And now I'm going in with my peas because we need peas for rice and peas, right? Amen, amen. So here I'm just moving it around to get the water down to the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some hot water as well. Because of course, as you can see, the water that's in it, it is not enough. Because we're going to be cooking this thing for about 50 minutes or 45. So here I added some garlic and cook for about 45 minutes or 50. So yeah, basically we are cooking it until the peas is soft and the pigtail is soft as well, right? Not too soft, but oh, did you see that? Cookity cooked. So here I'm adding my coconut milk. Listen to me. You need a good up coconut milk. No dibby one, right? So here I'm adding some thyme. I'm adding some scallion. Add any amount you want. And if you want to chop it up fine, that's okay. I'm adding some ginger and some garlic. That's 2 cloves. I added some more from before. Remember that? So I also added some bell pepper, right? Or sweet pepper. So just stir up everything. And then I will also go in with some pimento seed because you know some good pimento seed makes it smell good and taste even better. So I'm adding a Scotch bonnet pepper, necessary, cover it. And yeah, for about 45 minutes. Sorry, Vibes Sam, that is 25 minutes. You really are 20 minutes. You really need just about that for the coconut milk to cook nice, right? So here I'm adding my washed rice. And any rice will do. Add whatever rice you want, right? This is my basmati or your jasmine rice, whatever rice you want. Wash your rice to get rid of the excess starch. We always do that. So go ahead and zhuzh things around and cover it until it's dried out. All of the liquid is gone and look at it. Talk about cooking and looking good. Talking about good looking body, barefoot rice and peas. Yeah. Looks so good. So of course we want to go ahead and we're gonna stir it up, right? We have to stir it up. Hey. So I took out my pepper because of course it's gonna be in the way and we don't want that. So I removed the pepper and now I'm going in and I'm just gonna stir it up. So another thing, Vibes fam, if yours is not cooked, when you stir it up, you can just like cover it back for another 5 or 10 minutes depending on how much more time it needs, right? But that's the beauty of like jasmine rice and basmati rice. They cook really fast and really well, right? But any rice you want to use, brown rice, because of course brown rice is very healthy and good, you know, yeah. But look at niceness. This is my good body barefoot rice and peas. Look at the pigtail. Talk to me all the way nice. Yes. And look at my peas looking so red delicious, so red and ready. Look at pigtail is my favorite. I love it. I just love it. But this is it, Vibes fam. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Of course, the rice is cooked. It is not tough. So go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.